Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can buy Robux for Roblox mobile. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open Roblox mobile app and we get this basic interface where we can basically choose which game mode we want to play, but we have to focus on the right upper corner. There are options to search a game mode, and just next to that it's a diamond shape icon and you must click there. Now new page comes up where you can pick for how much money you want to buy Robux. It's $10, $5 or $1. For example, I just clicked on $1. After that you will get pop-up to put your security password there. For now, I will not do that because it's just example, and when you put your password, you're gonna be redirected to secured payment processor to put credit card informations there. And after you finish that, your Robux will be available to spend. Thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.